Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about me and this creature. I call it Long Arms. It's in the back rooms. It's one of the creatures in the back rooms. It makes a weird noise, and I think you guys heard my noise before that I can make that no one else can make. So, yeah, I think I made some kind of connection with this thing for some reason. Like here, I'll let you guys listen to its noise on the TV over here. What happened? Oh, it went blurry. Okay. This is the noise. It's more deeper and more spookier than mine, though. There's a famous shot. I'll try to copy its noise to show you guys. It just wants a friend to hug. I'm joking. It does not like people, that robot thing that I call Long Arms. Oh. Sounds like he's singing in this scene. You ready? Listen. Okay. That's the creature right there. And I want you guys to hear my noise. Since Grandma's not home, I think I'll do it. So see, I sound like this creature, and that's kind of crazy. So yeah, that's my video. It's pretty strange that I sound like this creature right here, Long Arms. Anyways, you guys have a great day and peace.